Good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Students, we are understanding about taskbar. Okay, we have read the start button, pin area. So today we are going to start with the notification area. Okay, I have told you notification area. You can see here. You can see this is the notification area. Okay, notification area is here. So what is notification area? It is sometimes referred to as sys-tray. Okay, it is sometimes refers to as a sys-tray, shell notification area and the taskbar status area. Sometimes we are saying notification area as sys-tray, shell notification area and the taskbar status area. The notification area is a portion of Microsoft Windows that displays program running in the background. Okay, notification area is a portion of Microsoft Windows that displayed program running in the background. It is located on the right portion of the taskbar. Okay, it is located in right portion of the taskbar. Okay, you can see here, this is the right portion of the taskbar. So this notification area located on the right portion of the taskbar. Clear? Now next is show desktop button. Show desktop button. This button is located at the right side of sys-tray. Okay, notification bar we can call as sys-tray also. We are referring as sys-tray. So your show desktop button is located at the right side of sys-tray. Okay, like this. It allows you to minimize all open windows at once for easy access to the desktop. But it allows you to minimize all the open windows. Whatever windows are open, you can minimize these all. Okay, at once for easy access to the desktop. It is also used to reopen all previously minimized window. Okay, it is also used to reopen. If we have to reopen minimized window, so we can click on this. Okay, it is also used to reopen. It is used to minimize also. It is used to reopen also. So it is also used to reopen all previously minimized window. Which windows we have minimized, if we want to reopen, then we can use this button. Okay, now this chapter is complete. Now there are the things to remember. Okay, things to be remembered. It's a quick recap. The main function of any operating system is being an interface between the user and the physical parts of the computer. What is the function of operating system? Main function is being an interface, means become a medium between the user and the physical parts of the computer. Physical parts like keyboard, okay, keyboard, hard disk, printer. Second is loading of operating system from hard disk to the primary memory is known as booting. Okay, loading of operating system from hard disk to the computer's memory is known as booting. Next is the start button is the button through which we can access the entire collection of program. Okay, start button is the button through which we can access the entire collection of program. All kinds of program are available when we will click on the start button. Computer, recycle bin and network icons are available on the desktop by default. Okay, my computer, recycle bin, network, these three icons are available on the desktop by default. Okay, it is presenting there by default. Now another name of notification area is sys-tray. Other name of the notification area is sys-tray. Okay, notification area is referred as sys-tray. So these are the things to remember. I hope now this chapter is clear to you. Now we will move to back exercise in my next video. Okay, have a good day to all. God bless.